back to my channel. So today is a unboxing, as you can see by the title of this video. So we have gotten, because you are watching my video, this is my second box with Boxycharm. I'm just gonna open it right here. So yeah, it's my second box with Boxycharm. So it's like my second month with them, and the first one I really enjoyed it. And yeah, so obviously I know what's inside because I applied what was in here. So yeah, so let's get started. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a subscription. You pay $21 a month and you get some items in the box. So this month's box, I'm all over the place. This month's box theme is totally, and I guess it's like a whole pink vibe thing going on. It tells you what's on the back, but I'm not going to look at that because I just want to show you myself. So the first thing I want to talk about is this right here. This is from Wonder Beauty. It's called Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and the packaging is so cute. It's pink. You open it up, you kind of screw it around, and then it has a little thing to, you know, put the oil. It smells really good, and I like it because you can already see that it's pink. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you this. I'm not going to tell you anything like specific, like how does it feel, how does it smell, do I like it, whatever, because that's going to be me applying this. But yeah, I think it's cute and I can't wait to try that. So the next two items are these eyeshadows right here, and they kind of remind me of ColourPop, and they're from Ace Beauty. They're glimmer shadows, and yeah, they have a pink one and a silver one. They are really pretty. So that's more like, I don't know, to me it's like it's pink, but it looks like more of like a deep plum color. And then it has the silver one, which I think is very pretty. This one is called French Vanilla, and the other one is called Huckleberry, which I can see where that's coming from because that does look like a berry shade. And then there's a Steve Laurent lip liner. I'm kind of like, I don't normally use lip liners. I just use like the tip of the lipstick that I'm going to use and line my lips and then fill them in. Or if it's like a matte, I'll just kind of like, I know how to work it. I don't normally buy lip liners. I mean, if I have them, it's because I either got them as a gift or they came in subscription boxes or something like that. But normally I just don't buy it. But the color looks pretty. I really like the color, so we'll see. And then the next thing is the Tarte Big Ego mascara, which, like, look at that packaging. Like, that is so crazy. I am not a pink person, but it's not like I hate it either. Like, that's not my favorite color. My favorite color is red. Purple first and then red, not together, but those are my favorite colors. But this is, if I'm gonna have to pick a pink, like, I like this color. Like, look at that packaging. It's freaking hot pink. Like, I love hot pink. So it comes with that, which is really cool. And this right here, I'm so excited to try. It's a Becca Hydra Mist Set Refresh Powder, which I've never heard of anything like this. I didn't even know they had this. But isn't that pretty? Like, the packaging is so cute. I've never tried powders from them. I've tried highlighters from them. Obviously, I have the Becca with the Jaclyn Hill one, but I never tried anything like that, and so I'm excited for that. But price-wise, so the powder itself is $39, so wow. And then that's already like more than the box. And then you have the illuminating oil, which is $42. Really? Holy shit, this shit, like, wow. Okay, and then the Tarte mascara is $23. The Ace Beauty shadows are $25, which that you got, well, it's a duo, so it's a duo for $25. I was thinking, like, is it like $25 each or what? But it says duo. And then the lip liner is $15. So wow. So I'm guessing, I think it comes out to what, like $144, I think. I will put the price right here, but yeah, like, wow, like, all of this is pricey, and like just paying $21 a month, you already have like really good items in your box. Like, you can't beat that. Like, I'm excited that I subscribed to this. I'm so far like no regrets at all. So yeah, so if you want to see how I applied and did this look with these products that are in the box, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try this. I wasn't too sure what I was gonna do first because like I had to use this for my makeup, and because I am actually gonna go somewhere right now. So yeah, I was like, if I wasn't going anywhere then I wouldn't use it. Look how cute that is, like the little thing. But I'm gonna go have movie night with my cousin. Oh my god, that's so fucking pretty. Like, you see that pink? Ooh! I'm hoping that, like, I don't even know. And it smells fucking good. Like, a little bit scared to try this because I have oily skin. But I saw someone say that, like, it's not bad. Like, it's really good. It's not like that. Oh my god. This, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and my eyebrows. I'm still gonna put this over it because I feel like I still need to put this on my makeup. Like, I cannot live without this. So before we start, everything else that's in the box that you just saw, like we have eyeshadow, mascara, and the powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and do everything off camera that's not important, that's not even in this box, and then I'll be back. I want to do like a transition shade, and I was gonna do greens. I can do like green and pink, but I want to do pink and silver. So I'm just gonna go in with this light color right here. This is the BH Cosmetic Taking You Back to Brazil palette. So I'm just gonna use that light pink right there that I just showed you guys, and I'm just gonna put this in the crease area. So it's just to give it a little transition shade so that I can put that pink that I got. So now we're going to try the shadow that we got in Boxycharm, and it's from Ace Beauty, and so we're going to go ahead and use it. Like, it's really, really pretty. So I normally would use these, like, because it kind of remind me of ColourPop. And I normally would use my finger, but today I kind of just want to use a brush for it. So we're going to go see how this works with the brush. I like it so far. Like the transition. And then, oh wow, it's like really sparkly. I like it. I like shimmer. Let's see. Oh, looks so pretty. I bet you even if you were to wet it, it would even be more out there, but I don't think I need to. I think it's like really pretty, like though, just like the way it is, like the way I'm applying it. Now, but before, I just feel like I don't like the way I look. If you guys hear like squeaking, it's my dog. She's playing with her toys. So, like, I like the way this is really pretty. I kind of want a little bit higher. I might go with a little bit darker pink to, like, kind of just, like, because my transition is, like, too light. Now that the pink is on, I'm going to go in with this little darker shade of pink right here. And I'm just going to kind of just smoke it in there a little bit, just to blend it a little bit. Because I feel like the transition shade is a little too light. And I kind of want to make it pop out a little bit more. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. I think this looks pretty like this. Oh! Like, all pink. I'm going to go ahead and conceal. And then we're going to try this new Becca powder. Now, I've never heard of the powder before until I got it in Boxycharm. I've owned, like, Becca highlights before, the collab with Jaclyn Hill, but I don't think I've owned anything else from them. Like, I know they're known for their highlighters. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Now, I did hear that the powder is good, and I can't wait to see if it is true on my part, because what works with others might not work for you. What works for you might not work for others. So I can't wait. I didn't know how to open this, so it's kind of like the lid. You kind of open it up, that I was like to take off the sticker. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with this brush. Oh my god, it feels wet. Like, they weren't kidding when they said it feels wet. Like, this is insane. Holy crap. And I always use a brush. I never really use like my little sponges I'm gonna bake. Dude, this is crazy. It feels like it's wet and cooling. Like, it feels really, really good. Holy crap, I actually like the way it feels. Then I kind of want to be like, see how it works throughout the night, you know, at my cousin's house, and see that like, I'll end up buying one. Because I like the way it feels. Like, this is like crazy. I'm gonna be putting it all on my face. Like, it's like a little, I don't know if you guys can see, it's like a little net in there. You see it? And I kind of just put my brush in there, and I just, holy crap, this feels, especially because it's so hot outside, like, it feels really good. Like, I really like this. Like, oh my god. I'm like applying it. Like, I really like the way this brush like it feels. Till Destiny tried out. It looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some Wet n Wild blue. I think I'm gonna go with blue liner. I always go with black, but I love this one. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit more colorful, because you bitches know that I love color in my eyes. Okay, so next we're gonna try out this mascara. Oh my god, like, I just love the packaging. Like, I'm not like a pink girl. Like, I'm not those girls that like there's different color. Like, oh, my favorite color is purple and red, not together. But if I'm gonna go with a pink, like, I like this kind of pink. Like, I love neon pink. Some people, like my niece, likes baby pink. I know pink girls that like that light pastel pink or just regular pink. Mine, if I'm gonna go with pink, I love neon pink. I actually think I'm gonna get my nails this color next. But I love this packaging. It's Big Ego, and the picture looks like the wand is big. Yes, I love big wands. Okay, so let's see how this works. I'm very picky mascaras. I feel like there's barely been like maybe one or two that I find that are really good, but most of the time I haven't really found like a really good one. I mean, mostly the mascaras that I do find are like drugstore that are good. Boxycharm is my favorite one. Let's see. I see it's giving it length because I have baby lashes. So I was wearing falsies. I mean, it looks okay. It's not like my other one, which at this point I'm like, you know, it is what it is. Like my favorite, but it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in here. Pretty. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in my inner, because I picked a little bit up. Ooh, this is pretty. Now I can't wait for tomorrow. I might just use this as like the eyeshadow. I have somewhere to be tomorrow, so oh my god, this is so fucking. But for the sake of the video, we're just gonna go ahead and try this out, and then I think I'll probably use the same gloss that they gave me last Boxycharm box from last month. I like that pencil liners. If it's like lip liners or eyeliners, I just don't like pencil ones. So I don't know. Let's see. It is a very pretty color. It's not... Let me get my lipstick brush. I have like a little lipstick brush, and I kind of just blend it in a little bit. Like... Not bad. And now we're gonna go ahead and use the lip gloss from last month. Kind of like changing color because I've kind of like used the kind of mix it in and clean it before I put it back in here. Oh, I love the way it smells. Okay, and then now that looks pretty. Eyelashes from Kiss. They are in Flirty. They're called Flirty. So I'm gonna put these on and I'll be right back. So I already did all of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and then I will be right back. Guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like this look that I came up with, and let me know if you're subscribed to Boxycharm as well. Tell me what your favorite was. So for me, I'm gonna have to say, oh my god, like I'm gonna have to say the powder, like that was like one of my favorites because I like the way it felt and it looks really good. I love everything that's in the box, to be honest with you, in this whole month. I've only been subscribed to Boxycharm for 2 months already. I kind of just been seeing people and their stuff and I'm like, wow, I really like it, so I subscribed to it, and so far so good. I love my first 2 boxes, and yeah, so that's about it. So don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to slap the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.